Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and guess what? Hey, it's your girl. It's time for another video, Like, comment, share, sub for other videos. So today I'll be giving you another simple, easy, everyday makeup. Yeah. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, beauty. So I'm starting off with the oil control absorbing face cream, and I'm just rubbing this all over my face. And I'm taking my no pore face primer and I'm placing this in my T-zone area. So this is where I get oily the most. So you want to control it and our makeup lasts longer. Now I'm taking my LA Colors True Matte foundation in CLM 360, and I'm just placing this all over my face. We want to even canvas. Now going in with my damp beauty blender. Well, what I did was I just used my setting spray on the butt of this. I wet the butt of this and I'm just taking up the excess. And now I took my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan and I went to the highest point of my face, which is under my eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. And I'm just blending it out with my beauty sponge, and whatever excess is on it, I'm going to take it on my eyes. And there you go. Make sure to blend properly, guys. Now going in with another LA Girl product. What is a yellow corrector, and I'm just making 2 dots under my eyes because I wanted it to be a little bit more brighter, and that's what I did. And then whatever excess that is on it, I'll just put it on my nose bridge. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder along with the sponge. What I do is I dip the damp sponge in the setting powder, blow the excess powder off, and then I place it underneath, under everywhere that I put concealer. How can I talk today? What's wrong with me? Come on, girl, get it together. This is a technique I used to use, and now I'm going back to it. Now I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to further set the rest of it, making sure that everywhere has all the powder, setting my eyes, going on my eyebrows, because we don't want no oily brows now, do we? No, we don't. No, we don't. I'm just making sure everything is there. Now going in my Jordana Flawless Face in Light Honey, and I'm just setting everywhere. Now I want some warmth back to my face, so I went in with that Santi powder. Thank God for my kids. I love them so much, but they get my stuff, and my son dropped this and broke it. So now taking it to contour my nose. Yeah, I did. So I'm just working it into the brow as well. Now taking these two Fit Me products, 375 and 355, and this is what I'm using to, these two powders I'm using to contour my face. Hollows of the cheek, the temples, forehead, the jawline, and yeah, that's where I'm contouring. Now I'm going to take the 355 powder, which is the lighter one, and I am just contouring my eyes. I normally do my brows before I do the eyes, but this time I'm like, you know what, let me do whatever comes to mind. Now I'm taking my Muse bronzer and I'm just bringing back some warmth to my cheekbones. Yeah. Now it's time for the brows. So I'm taking my Alley Hoop 4-in-1 pencil and I'm just creating some brow hairs at the front and then going and creating the arch. Then I'm going to go on top and I'm going to create that line, and then I am going to fill it in the middle with that pencil. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Look at that brow. Now I'm going to go back in with the spoolie and I want to further blend, taking the black from the same pencil, and I'm just lighting my waterline, and then I'm going on top, just creating a line for my falsies. Now I'm taking my mascara from LA Colors and I'm just giving my lashes a good coat. Okay, beauties, my battery is about to die, so I apply my falsies off camera, which these are they. I'm not sure of the style, of my setting spray, and then my lip combo, without pencil. This is the finished look. I decided not to do any highlights today because I just want it to be all matte. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my everyday makeup look. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell if you never want to miss an upload from me. And you can connect with me on my social, which will be linked in the description bar below. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye beauty.